Hi everybody, today we're going to see how I draw Sugar Plum. So we're going to start out with a simple sketch, just to give me an idea of where everything is going to go. I like to do this because I'm trying to fit it in the camera. I gotta make sure everything's gonna fit. It's just a simple light sketch. Trying to determine if I've got everything in the right place. I think that's about it. That should be good to get us started. So I'm going to switch to some sharp markers. You can stick with the pencil if you like. And I'm going to start with the eyes. I like to start with the eyes to make sure I'm happy with where it's going to go. So I'm going to draw some loops here for the eyes, and there's going to be glasses, so right now I'm starting with a lighter marker. And it's just to stylize what I'm trying to do. Stylize is your style, and this is going to be my style. Remember, this is how I draw. So what I'm going to do is give her some eyelids like this. Come across, do the same thing over here, and I'm going to draw little points on the side here for some nice makeup. Then I'm going to go back inside and do some eyes, or pupils, sorry, like this. And then for the nose, I already know where I sketched it out, so I'm going to do little lines like this, little lines like that, and then the nostrils. And there's going to be glasses, so we'll worry about that in a minute. I'm going to go ahead and finish up with the thin marker and give her a smile, real easy. Then come back for the lips, and I'm going to do little loops right there. Not loops, sorry. Little M. So there's the M, like that. And bring the other one down, like that. So I'm going to switch back over to the big marker here. And this is a little chancy, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and just draw the glasses right there, real thick. There's the middle part, and I'm going to draw like that. I'm going to do the same thing over, and it's chancy because you're going over what you already did, and you just got to trust yourself. Boom, you got glasses. That easy. So let's bring her around for the chin, like that. Not really round, more of a pointy face. And then draw her neck. And I guess we can finish up with the hair and the eyes and the hat. So I'm going to draw a line, an arc over like this, and that's going to be the bottom of the hat. And then I'm going to give her some pointy ears. Come back down to that spot. Do the same thing over here. Pointy ears. And there's like an ice edge around the whole hat, so I'm going to kind of do pointy little jagged marks here. So I'm going to come up like this, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, and one more down. And that's going to be the top part, or the bottom part of the little fuzzy part. So let's do the edge of the hat. So we're going to do an arc all the way around like that. And if you got a little spot like that, like I do, you just connect it, and there you go. And she's going to have a little ball at the top of her hat. You can't see the whole thing, so it's behind. So we're just going to draw the part we can see, just another little sunrise coming over the head, right? So now she's got little pom-poms hanging from her hat too. So, oh, you know what? Let's go ahead, since we're up here, let's finish up the hair, and we'll be done with that. So it's kind of the opposite of this. It's down and up and down and up and down and up and down and up, and there's her hair. I'm going to go ahead and draw in some little hairlines just to give it the look of hair. Like that. And then since I've got this fine line, I'm going to go ahead and draw lines down here for the hat. The pom-poms that are hanging off the hat. And draw the little pom-poms. Not sure where that word came from, but that's what they are. Then we're going to arc one more for the neck, and I'm going to go ahead and give her shoulders and arms. So I'm going to go out like this, out like that, and I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to do the waist. That'll give me an idea where the edge of the arm is going to be here. So I'm going to bring it out like this, bring it like that, bring the edge down right there because that's going to be her little skirt. So it's going to come out a little like that, and now I'm going to do points like this. So I'm going to go up and down, up, down, up, down, up, one more down like that. So now I know where the edge of the arm is going to be, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to bring one line down here, one down here. I'm going to draw a little bit of a bump for the forearm, a little bit of bump for the forearm, and she has a sweater on, so I'm going to put the edge there. I'm going to do the same thing over here. So I'm going to bring it down, bring this edge down, going to bump it out a little for the forearm, bump it out just a little for the forearm, and bring it across for the edge of the sweater. And you know my easy trick of fists are the easiest thing to draw, so we're going to do an arc like this. Then I'm going to bring it in and do another one the opposite, another one the opposite, and there's the fists. So I'm going to loop it like this, loop it like this, and then the final one is going to go all the way around. So I'm going to bring it in like this, opposite, then do it again and bring it around, and there. So now we're going to finish her legs, which are going to be kind of under the skirt, so we're going to just bring them down, not to the edge, just close, and then we're going to loop right there, or connect right there, and then do the same thing over here, not quite at the edge, cut it off right there. And she's got these like snow leggings is what she has, so I'm gonna kind of go out and make it a little jagged just for effect, and loop it at the bottom. And I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of almost like lightning the way you draw it, just out and down like that. And the bottom same way. And the foot I'm going to draw this because it's straight looking at you, so it's down and like that. So basically that's your toe, like that. But this one we're going to do off to the side. So I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to bring this down over like that and just connect it. And what I'm going to do is she's got a little bit of a point, so we could do like that and that to give it a look of a point. And what I'm going to do again real quick is go back and do a few little extra things and add just a little bit of the detail just for technique. And there you go. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.